पूजा है वेदांतु। आज पता है बाय गेट्स हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। इफ यू आर फेसिंग इश्यूज इन लर्निंग द फॉर्मूले ऑफ क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड एंड सिलेंडर, भूल जाते हो बार बार, तो आज इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड कर लोगे और कहीं भी उसको डिराइव कर लोगे। ठीक है, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So guys, we have seen so many cuboid things and cubic things around our daily life, right? कितनी सारी चीजें हम देखते हैं। अब मान लो लूडो खेलते हुए आपने वो डाइस देखा है, वो भी रूब्रिक क्यूब। अरे ये मेरी मम्मी की चीनी का डिब्बा, ये भी मम्मी से लेकर आई हूँ मैं। So can you see here? इसमें मेरे पास ये जो क्यूबिक बॉक्स है, इसमें मुझे लग रहा है कि कितने फेस होंगे। तो ये टॉप जो इसका ढक्कन है, दिस इज द टॉप, दिस इज द बॉटम, दैट इज 2 1 2 हो गया, 3 4 5 6 डन। तो कितने फेसेस हुए क्यूब में? कोई भी क्यूब 6। ठीक है, तो अब इसका सरफेस एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे, लेटरल सरफेस एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? ये एक मैथमेटिकल टर्म है। नॉर्मल लेमन लैंग्वेज में आपसे पूछूं कि इसमें कितने सरफेस है? 6 सरफेस है। कैसे? फेसेस कितने? 6। तो सरफेसेस भी 6 हुए। तो सरफेस एरिया निकालना है इसका, तो हर एक फेस का एरिया निकालना है। तो ये फेस ले लेते हैं टॉप मोस्ट, स्क्वायर है ये। ठीक है, अब स्क्वायर की बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हो, ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल। तो एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर क्या होता है? साइड इनटू साइड। अब आपको ये पता है ये एक स्क्वायर है और सारे फेसेस आर इक्विवेलेंट टू ईच अदर, तो एरिया ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर will be equal to area of this square, will be area of this square, will be area of this square as well as this square too. So what we have achieved here? So guys, what we have concluded here? Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 faces multiplied by area of one face. That is 6 into side. That makes a 6-side square. But if someone asks you lateral surface area of a cube, then what we have to do is remove the area of the topmost face and the area of the bottommost part. The left face's area is nothing but lateral surface area of the cube. So the left faces of the cube beside the face of topmost part and the bottommost part is 4. So 4 into side square, that gives us 4 side square. Let us come to the shape number 2, that is cuboid box. So just look around yourself, you will find n number of objects in the cubic shape. How? Cuboid shape कैसे मिलेगी आपको इतनी सारे? देखो मैंने ये बॉक्स लिया है, you can just look around yourself, you will find your geometry box in this cuboid shape only. Yes, so let us understand how do we derive the total surface area formula of a cuboid box. So guys, let us understand the total surface area formula of a cuboid. So we have length, breadth and height. So basically we have this surface equal to the bottommost surface, this surface equal to the back side of that, and these two sides are equal. Right? So the area of the opposite faces are equal to each other, isn't it? So we have got 2 times of length into breadth, 2 times of length, breadth into height, 2 times of length into height. So that makes us 2 times of length, breadth plus breadth, height plus length and height. Now, I hope it is clear to all of you. So guys, let us understand now the finest 3D shape, that is cylinder. Okay, what is the formula? Formula of total surface area and the lateral surface area. दोनों आज समझेंगे, ठीक है? तो आप जस्ट देखो अपने सराउंडिंग में आपको कितनी सारी चीजें मिलने वाली हैं सिलेंडर की। Just look around yourself. The water bottle, the tape, then you can see your cup, then you can see your pen stand. Everywhere it is cylindrical shapes, right? So let us understand what is the total surface area of a cylinder. So guys, I have taken a cylinder. It's a dummy cylinder. where I have this curved surface, right? And the topmost surface, you can see this is circular surface, and the base surface is also circular, which is basically circle in shape, right? So what we have to do is, to calculate the total surface area of the cylinder, we have to first of all calculate the total area of this curved surface, right? And the area of this circular and this circular surface. So what I'm going to do is take this dummy cylindrical object similar to this and cut it from here. Then we will see what we have a shape here. So we can see that this is nothing but a rectangular shaped surface when we open it. Yes, when we open up this particular cylinder, we got nothing but a rectangular shape, right? So we know the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. We all know that, right? So, but here, what is length? The length is this and breadth is this, right? So when we quickly come up again with the cylinder shape, we find out that this is nothing but the circumference of a circle. This length is nothing but the circumference. That is nothing but 2 pi r. So length becomes 2 pi r and breadth becomes height of the cylinder. Yes, everyone, see on to it again. This is nothing but circumference, but breadth is nothing but the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder, isn't it? तो अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Derive करने वाले हैं formula of total surface area of the cylinder. Everyone, see to it. Total surface area of the cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r h. That is circular plus height also 2 pi r h. Now, if I talk about the area of the circular part, what is the area of circle? The area of circle is pi r square, right? So we have two circle face here, this one and this one. So we have got 2 pi r h, the circular part area, and circular part 1 pi r square and pi r square, which gives us 2 pi r h plus r, which is uncommon. So we have taken out 2 pi r common and h plus r is written in the bracket, and that is the formula. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, what is curved surface area, lateral surface area? That is nothing but this green portion, bacho. So LSA or the CSA formula becomes 2 pi r h multiplied by height, that is 2 pi r h. So guys, I hope you have loved this video and understood all the concepts behind the formula of cube, cuboid and cylinder, and you will be able to memorize the formula. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video to each and every friend of yours. Bye bye guys, we'll see you in the next session.